guys, what's up? We're going to do a 1/53rd scale update. So as you can see, it's grown quite a bit since the last video I did. So we're just going to go ahead and get started.
Somebody's posted a chat or something. I'm gonna just ignore that. Child abduction emergency. Man, a child abduction emergency alert again. Channel 18 is affected as well.
Santiago was abducted from his mother's home in San Pedro about 1:30 this morning. Police say Santiago's father attacked his mother and her current boyfriend before abducting Jaden. Jaden is described as Hispanic, about 2 feet tall, weighing 26 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a light brown and green sweater, green and brown striped onesie, and a black and white Nike shoes. His father is Giovanni Santiago Enriquez, who is described as a 37-year-old Hispanic male who's 5'8" and weighs 200 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. He was wearing a black beanie, black sweater, black Dickies pants, and gray and black Nike shoes. Police say Santiago Enrique has attempted suicide in the past. Officials believe he could be traveling to Mexico, Oregon, or Washington, where he has known contacts. The suspect was last seen driving a 2006 gray Nissan Altima with a California license plate 5UCF010. Once again, that's 5UCF010. He is considered armed and dangerous, and anyone who spots him should call 911. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
And get started. The first bus we're going to look at is modeled as a 2017. So not much difference, just a different number. And then we have 1777, which is also a 2017 HDX.